Page 281, numbers 13 and 29 are now asking us to work with our natural base e. And as noted in the previous examples, you want to make sure that you write, we don't normally write log base e, we write ln for natural log. So number 13 is asking us to evaluate ln of e to the third power without a calculator. Now, you should have written above the basic natural log properties, which follow the same rules as all of our other log properties. So the answer to ln of e to the third is going to be 3, since e to the third is equal to e to the third. That is a property we're invoking with number 13. Now for number 29, it's just wanting us to get familiar with using the natural log key on our calculator. So we're to substitute this into the calculator and then find the value and then check our answer by substituting it back. So again, we'll pull up the calculator. There is a natural log button on your calculator. So you can press natural log of 4.05, close the parenthesis, hit enter, and you can see the value is approximately 1.399. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down. So this is approximately 1.399. Now to check it, what we want to do is take our base, which is e, so we'll take e and we'll raise it to the 1.399 power. So pulling up our calculator again, you can see that on the calculator I have to first hit second and then the natural log button. It gives me the e, and then I'm going to raise it to the 1.399 power, and it should be very close to 4.05, which it is. So we know that our answer is correct. I also want to show that on the Inspire, the natural log and the E buttons and the log and the exponent button are backwards. That you have to hit the blue button, the control button, to get the natural log and the log button, and the E button is the main key, but they're in the same general area. So we have our two answers. Number 13, the answer is 3, and number 29, the answer is 1.399.